Dr. Simran Kalra from Haryana. Dr. Kalra is the National Secretary of IMA MSN and is currently an intern at BPS Government Medical College for Women. And she'll be talking to us regarding the system update in human species. Dr. Kalra, please.
Good afternoon, sir. Good evening, sir. Human, the superior of all, is under attack and is in a face-off with COVID-19 virus. Is this the beginning of the end, or will we come out of this with a system update to human species? A very good evening to all the attendees and panelists, and I would like to extend a warm thanks to the organizers for giving me the opportunity to express my views on it. When we talk about system update to human species, there has to be certain changes, and any change comes with challenges. When we go out of this pandemic, we'll have a lot of changes, starting the first one, trust. It was very easy to plan last minute trips, to online order worldwide, for families and friends to meet with each other without any restrictions. But that is not going to be easy. We'll think twice before going somewhere. We'll think twice before meeting someone. It won't be surprising if houses tomorrow, the ultra modern homes, have a separate ICU room with oxygen cylinders, with first aid kits, and a lot of partitions or entry exit points for all its members. The family members talking to each other by intercoms and a lot of hand sanitization going on. That won't be surprising. Fear is going to be part of our future. Travel is not going to be easy without your immunity passport. Talking about privacy, that will be thing of past, because surveillance will crowd your future generations. OCD certain people were said to have OCD earlier, but now that is a means of survival. It's a good thing to have an OCD now. People are shifting from gym to online fitness, and the world is changing into a more digitalized world. People are leaving the clutter behind. People are going minimalistic, lesser things around you, lesser things you touch, lesser means of spreading infection. And all the businesses are also going digital. It will be like the restaurants will have online menus. There is already online cashless transactions, online bookings going on. So that will also give us the challenge of cyber crime coming up. I wonder if our Indian mothers will stop using the dialogue "is phone ko aag laga do," which translates to "burn the cell phone," because the future seems like all on smart screen, even for our mothers. And it won't be surprising if people today they know meaning of words like quarantine and pandemic, which they didn't even know before. But they also know the meaning of words like hand sanitization, self hygiene, social distancing, and much more. People are becoming more self-aware, and that is what they are going to carry out after this pandemic. But talking about the effect of pandemic on our biology, man is a social animal. He was not made to live in isolation. That is the reason prison cells and jails are actually a punishment. For people living in isolation and quarantine since over 2 months, especially in areas like Mumbai, where they are living in matchbox-like apartments, this is going to have a major impact on their mental health. And it can be as severe as a post-traumatic syndrome. Talking about mask and hand sanitizers, which are going to be important part of our future, mask will be such a common thing tomorrow that future generations will think mouth was also a private part and it is covered. People will forget that there was a time we didn't use mask. I forgot the time when I was not using a mask. It has become such a common thing. But what does overuse of this mask or excess use of this mask for major part of your time does? It can lead to a change of shift of baseline of normal hemoglobin that we have. The normal baseline of hemoglobin RBCs can shift, of normal breath rate can shift. The volume of air you take in, air you exhale can shift. The volume or normal volume of speech can shift. Again, mask can also, because our nostrils were designed in such a way that the air goes out and away from the face. But when we wear a mask, it is actually diverted upwards to your eyes. It can have over the time effect over it, and it can cloud the spectacles, as people might be noticing already. Then mask is, the proper usage of mask is also important. If you use a dirty mask, or if you don't know how to dispose it of, or if it is a washable mask, you do not wash it properly, then the thing you're using for your safety is actually going to harm you tomorrow. And again, you can't use the mask for kids less than 2 years old, or person who's unconscious, or somebody who requires assistance or is paralyzed. You cannot use, you must know how to use the mask for them. It cannot be done without assistance. If I talk about hand sanitization or hand sanitizers, there are alcohol based, non-alcohol based, and the speed at which we are using hand sanitizers today, there are certain chemicals in it which can lead to dermatitis, eczema, skin diseases leading to other diseases, and there are certain chemicals which kill the good microbes that are needed. They can also, there have been certain chemicals proven which can lead to a problem with fertility, problem with fetal development, with your reproductive system, with your hormones. So I would still say soap and water is still the best solution forward compared to alcohol or non-alcohol based and hand sanitizers. If we talk about leisures of life, tomorrow people will associate pleasure of social life to being able to go out, which is such a common thing. Once upon a time, we were so easily able to go out, but tomorrow it won't be such an easy, feasible thing. And I'll just come to the conclusion part that most challenging is the amount of gloves, masks we are using and PPE kits we are using. Is it going to poison our seas? Where is the biomedical waste going to take us with the amount that we are using it? But we are like warriors, and we'll come out of this pandemic as a superior species again, unless and until we come face to face with somebody else who is more superior than us to walk this earth. Thank you.